Hi all, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I would like to guide you about the how best you are going to respond to the interviewer related to your profile and what trends it is going on. What are the new trend the company is looking out, and what kind of questions they may ask you in interview, and how best you are going to explore your project in front of a technical panel. Guys, this is one of the most important session which I am going to talk to you right now. Okay. The thing is very simple. Like you need to understand if you go for an interview, right? Okay, today I'm going for an interview. Okay. So what they are expecting, okay, they will go through my profile and they will go through your profile and they may see a lot of contents in automation you mentioned, project you mentioned, and you mentioned every experience what you had, but what kind of questions it is coming to you and how you are going to handle those questions with very quickly and spot thinking and point to point answer. This is really important while people are looking out. I have seen in the channel also there are plenty of people, they call me up and they are recommending me to give some tips for an real-time interview questions. Let it be the agentic AI, let it be AI power testing, let it be automation, let it be manual, let it be the kind of testing questions they are asking is really important, guys. For example, so first I will go ahead with the introduction part. Can you introduce yourself? This is the first question everybody is going to ask because they wanted to know what kind of experience you have. What exactly the related experience you have on the QA. Okay. So then once you introduce, right? See, introduction is also very important. You should not drag much time in front of a technical panel. You should talk to them very professionally and very confidently with a limited time of span of time. Okay, that is really important. And you need to give him a chance to ask next question. You got my point. You should not tell everything one shot because I have seen couple of people, right? They will talk to the interviewer and they will start introducing from themselves to, they will explain their project, they will explain their rules and responsibility, they will explain everything. No need of this. For example, if I asked, hey, can you introduce about yourself? Just if I have a 4 years of experience or 3 years of experience, how we are going to present? Hey, hi, I'm Guru here. I have 3 years of experience in QA and I'm working in this company from past 3 years. And I do have a different kind of domain experience in testing. That's it. That's it. No need to elaborate much, guys. No need to elaborate much. Let him ask you the questions. Unless and until he asks, you should not open your mouth. And one more thing is, while talking to the interviewer, right, you should have a smartness to pull him where you knows the things very well. Give him some break. Make him the roadmap where he has to come to you and he should ask you the question what you knows. That is also one technique which I'm going to guide. Guys, I'm going to conduct a separate sessions for only for the real kind of questions to the interviewer, how best you are going to respond him back. Okay, for example, let me take one situation. Let me give you one situation. One guy has come to me and I have asked him, and they will not ask you basic questions like, can you design test cases? What is test case? What is this? What is no? They wanted to put you in certain situations where you need to come out of it. For example, I will tell you. Imagine that Vinay has come for an interview. I will ask Vinay, hey Vinay, while you are working, your target is to execute 100 test cases per day. You started working, your work you have been started, and there are plenty of ad hoc requests came to you. For example, some your junior people, they were asking you some questions because they are totally new, and some people they will call you for the meeting, QA meeting, you need to attend there. And some people they are asking lot of clarifications and you need to talk to your lead also. There are so many episodal things come to you while you are working, your work you are doing, But these all are ad hoc requests. How you are going to handle such questions they are going to ask. How you are going to handle, how you are going to prioritize your task, which task you need to take first, which one is a priority for you in this situation. And suppose imagine that you have prioritized your task but you could not able to achieve your target per day. Per day you need to execute 100 test cases but you could not able to achieve that target because of lot of ad hoc requests. At that situations, today you have a call with a customer, call with a client. How do you want to convey that you have not completed the target, what target they have given you? How best you are going to convey the customer? So such kind of questions you are going to expect from the technical panel. Nowadays, AI has come into the picture, AI power testing. Okay, for example, right now I am using the agentic AI for my project work. Okay, for example, in my project, I'm providing a project training, real-time work training to the students. For example, I have a banking project. Imagine. Okay, one module I am working. Imagine that there are 16 modules which I need to work for a testing. One module I am working for a testing means 15 modules has left to me. I wanted to create the 15 agents. I mean to say 15 AI agents has to work how I am going to work. So if you are creating a 15 AI agents, how best you are going to work with the agents? What are the promptings you are going to give? How your agents is understanding your prompt and what kind of testing methodologies you are going to follow and how agents are going to follow? What kind of answer you are going to give for such questions? First, they will ask you what is AI agents and how it is going to help you, and what kind of suggestions you are going to take, and how best you are going to reduce the token also. Means, I mean to say, your token should be very less and you should give the good prompting where within a one token you have to complete almost all tasks. This is what the company is expecting, guys. Guys, trust me, there are different kinds of questions are asking by the industry's people. And now the testing is not like earlier how we used to execute. Now the speed got changed, and nobody will ask you what is test case, what is this thing, that thing. They wanted to put you in the real situation, guys. Another thing is, I would like to recommend you join my project to work. This is a real time work, everybody need it. Even though you have completed the theoretical session, right? Trust me, theoretical session is no use, guys. You need to involve into the project. You need to work into the project. Then only you will get a feel of confidence on the project work. Guys, it is one of the best opportunity. Go to my YouTube and there is a particular link. Click on that particular link. Let us talk together. And how these agents are helping me, how this product functionality we are going to understand, how the analysis part we are going to use, how best we are going to apply the playwrights with it. Real kind of work experience is most important. The people who have a year gaps, and real time work experience is a most powerful tool for you to clear the interview, and it is the most powerful input for you to work as a independently in a industries. Guys, trust me, it's the best opportunity. I would like to recommend the people who are coming out from non-IT, who don't know anything about testing, right? Guys, this is the best opportunity for you people to join with us. We work together. I wanted to hold your finger and I wanted to walk through whole QA cycle with agentic AI, how this AI is going to help, what kind of prompt you are going to give. There is a systematic way of giving the prompt. There is a systematic process, systematic understanding of the project work to give the prompt. If you wanted to give the prompt to the cloud here and there, right? You should know what exactly you want. You should know what exactly the project work is. You should involve into the project work. Then only you are going to use eligible to use the AI agents. How you are going to create the agent? There are 40 to 45 my own agents I have created for the project work, guys. Trust me, better we talk about the interview questions also, like real time questions. how you are going to respond. So these are the important things which I'm going to talk to you guys. Better join with us. Go to my YouTube. There's a particular link. Click on that link. Talk to me. We work together. Thank you guys. I'm very thankful to you people for watching this video. See you again. Thank you. Thanks a lot.